take over the village, and they take all the best warriors, and they put them in prison. And there's 4 philanthropists that are really uncomfortable with this, seeing their best men in these prisons. And so one of them, they were all wealthy, and one of them goes to the guards and he says, gentlemen, he says, I have a well that has clean water. If you could just give the men clean water so that they're not sick while they're there, because they're drinking muddy water. If you could just get them some clean water, then I will give you the wells and you can have them. So the guard said, fine. So they went ahead and they gave the men clean water. And the men felt healthier in their prisons. And the philanthropist felt like, wow, I had achieved my calling. It's why I was born here. The second philanthropist said, well, I want to participate. So he went up to the guards and he says, I have fields full of grain. If you could have the fields, just take the grain and create bread and give the good food to the soldiers so that they can eat healthy while they're in their prisons. And the guard said, all right, fine. So they did that. The third philanthropist said, you know, I want to help too. So he went to the guards and he said, I have these textile mills. If you could just weave some clothes and give them to the men so that they have blankets and pillows instead of sleeping on the dirt and the rocks, that would be wonderful, and then you could have the mills. So the guard said, fine, we'll do that. So the third philanthropist felt really like he had that circle of life moment. This is what he was born to do. And the guards were more comfortable in their prisons. Well, the fourth philanthropist had a problem with all of that, for he was the wisest of them all. So that night, he bribed the guards, found the keys, and at night, he unlocked the prison bars, and he set those warriors free. Because the goal in life is not to be comfortable in our mental prisons, but to find the keys that are already within inside of us and set ourselves free. Thanks for listening.